Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on multi-digit subtraction with regrouping. 41,125 minus 28,945 is our model problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. Now, in subtraction, we regroup whenever the bottom digit is bigger than the top digit. And I always, before I do any subtraction, I'm going to see if regrouping is needed. So I'm going to go through all of the digits for these two numbers, and I'm going to see if regrouping is needed. Are there any places where the bottom digit is bigger than the top digit? So looking at this problem, the top digit is bigger in the 10,000s place. In the thousands place, the bottom digit's bigger. You cannot start out with 1 and take away 8. In the hundreds place, again, the bottom digit is bigger, so you cannot start out with 1 and take away 9. And you cannot start out with 2 and take away 4. So we have to regroup in the thousands place, the hundreds place, and the 10,000s place. So I'm going to do all of my regrouping first, and then after I'm done with the regrouping, then I'm going to subtract. So we're going to regroup in the thousands place by taking a 10 from the 10,000s place. So the 4 is going to become a 3, the 1 is going to become an 11. Now in the hundreds place, we have to take a 10 from the thousands place, so that 11 is now going to change to a 10, and that 1 is going to change to an 11. The 1 in the hundreds place is going to change to an 11. Now going to the tens place, again, you can't start out with 2 and take away 4, so I'm taking a 10 from the hundreds place, and I'm adding it to the tens place, so the 11 in the hundreds place is going to become a 10, the 2 in the tens place is going to become a 12. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, we used to call this borrowing, but it's not really borrowing because we do not give it back. All right, now we are ready to subtract. The bottom digits are either equal to or bigger than all of the top. The top digits are either equal to or bigger than all of the bottom digits, so we can now subtract. So I regroup from left to right, and then I subtract from right to left. Grouping from left to right and subtracting from right to left. So now I'm going to start in the ones place. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 10 minus 8 equals 2. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. And we have our final answer, 41,125 minus 28,945 equals 12,180. All right, I'm going to do one more example problem, and then we're going to call it a video. To everybody tuning in, please hit that like button. It helps the algorithm a lot. 75,427 minus 37,852. All right, so again, before I do any subtraction, I look at the digits, see where regrouping is needed. So the bottom digit is bigger in the thousands place. You cannot start out with 5 and take away 7, so we have to regroup there. We also have to, again, regroup in the hundreds place and in the tens place. So we're going to regroup in the thousands place. We're going to take a 10 from the 10,000s place and add a 10 to the thousands place. So the 7 is going to become a 6. The 5 is going to become a 15. Now in the hundreds place, we're going to take a 10 from the thousands place. So the 15 is going to become a 14. The 4 is also going to become a 14. Now looking at the tens place, we're going to add a 10 to the tens place. So the 2 is going to become a 12. And the 14 is going to become a 13. So now we are ready to subtract. All the top digits are bigger than or equal to the bottom digits. So we can now subtract. So starting in the ones place, 7 minus 2 equals 5. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 14 minus 7 equals 7. And 6 minus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer, 75,427 minus 37,852 equals 37,575. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.